Hello, everybody, and welcome. It is Wednesday, January 5th, and unfortunately, I'm not there again today, but I do have a pretty simple laid out agenda for us here today, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, first thing, watch this directions video. All right, so you're already almost a fourth of the way there. Step number 2, complete an Edpuzzle on exponents. So today we're going to be talking about exponents, and so you're going to start off by going to Canvas, and in your dashboard, underneath Wednesday, January 5th, you are going to see Edpuzzle on exponents. This is a link, so you're going to click on it and then click on the text here, and it's going to bring you to your assignment in Edpuzzle. It is a 10-minute long video. There are about 14 questions that pop up as you're working. Please work independently, throw those headphones on, and once you're finished with this, I will see automatically the answers that you had submitted. All right, so there's nothing that you need to submit to me. It'll show up automatically with the answers that you chose and show me that you are 60% complete, 80% complete, or hopefully in all of your cases, 100% complete. Once you're finished with this, you're going to walk to the back table and you are going to grab an Intro to Exponents packet from the background table. Okay, once again, that's when you're finished completely with the Edpuzzle on exponents. And once you have this packet, you can work with a partner, but please work individually on your packets, meaning that even if I'm working with Tom, it's not just us doing one packet together. We're each going to write on our own packets. And then when you're finished, you can check your answers with the answer key that's posted either at the front of the room on the whiteboard or along the wall, and then submit this in the back basket when you're finished. And that's it for today. All right, so whatever you don't finish will be homework. But I just want to quickly take you through some of the more fine details of this stuff that I'm talking about. So here we have the assignment for the exponents packet. So if you click on it, it says, please grab the packet from the back table. And if you're at home, I do have the PDFs attached right here. And I have a help video to complete the whole first page. So good news for you, if you are at all having some difficulty or just want to have someone to work along with, you can click right here on this help video.
Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to be showing you how to do the exercises that go along with the, and so we multiply that number together 3 times to get the volume of the cube numbers because they're being multiplied.
And it's like you're working alongside someone here. And fortunately, they're very knowledgeable and they'll take you through that whole first page. And then that'll help you for the next 4 pages. And here's what the next 4 pages are going to be talking about. All right, so we see this first one, and it is writing numbers in exponent form. So writing all of these really long, complicated multiplication problems as simple exponents. Next, it's going to be calculating squares. So that's when you times a number by itself. So like 5 squared would be 5 times 5, and you get 25, for example. The third page for the worksheets would be calculating exponents. And so here, it's not always going to be times itself just once. It could be times itself 4 times, 3 times, 8 times, whatever the case may be. And so this first time around, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 5th power. And when you calculate that out, it's going to give you 32. Now, you may use a calculator to calculate the value of each exponent. And I want to take you through how you can find the exponent button on your calculator. So here we're looking at your TI-30 calculator. This is the standard one that you guys have in class. And this is what I call raising the roof. So here in this first problem, 2 to the 5th power, that means that you're starting with the base number 2. All right, so you're going to click 2 on your calculator. And then in order to raise it to a power, you're going to have to click on this button that looks like the roof of a house. Henceforth, raising the roof. And once you click on that, you can then follow it up by clicking on your exponent. In this case, the number of times you're multiplying 2 by itself is 5 times. So you click on 5, and so your problem should look like 2 roof of the house, 5. That's what will show up on your calculator. And then you're going to click on enter, and it should give you the answer of 32. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. You can pause the video here and take a look at the 1, 2, 3 steps we have. And once you're done with that page, you're going to move along to the fourth and final page, and that is powers of 2. And so it's just going through all the different forms of multiplying 2 by itself, whether you do it 2 times 2 or 2 to the third power, 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the fifth, so on and so forth. You're going to see how that number just grows and grows and grows, and it doubles from the last number. All right. Once you complete those 4 worksheets and that exercise sheet, which again has that help video to help you, you're going to turn this all into your back basket, and then you're going to work on reading. You're going to work on Math 24, iReady, drawing, whatever you'd like to do, as long as you work quietly and are staying on task.